Hello and welcome to the Bliss Teacher Development Films DVD. These films are a part of Bihar Language Initiative for Secondary Schools in partnership with British Council, Bihar Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan and DFID. British Council presents the Teacher Development Films for Secondary School Teachers in Bihar. This film series is self-access learning resource for English language teaching. These films show real teachers in real classrooms, demonstrating best practice in secondary school English teaching. While watching these films, you will have opportunities to analyze and reflect on a variety of ways to do a reading lesson in your classroom. There are two parts to this DVD. Part 1 has 7 short clips. Each clip contains key techniques for interactive classroom teaching and clear models of how you can set up each stage of a reading lesson. Part 2 has 3 sample reading lessons. Watch the 3 lessons to find out how you can put all 7 stages of a lesson together. A warmer activity is usually the first stage of a lesson. This is usually a fun activity like a game.
Do you want to play a game before starting the lesson?
Yes. In this clip, you will look at how to start a lesson with a warmer, identify why and how to use warmers in your classroom. We are now going to watch an interesting warmer.
Do you know what is a spider?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what?
Makdi.
Yes. Let me first draw a spider and I'll write a word. What is this word? Environment. Yes. Now what I will do? I will write words related to environment on all these legs. Trees. Any other word? Shikha?
River. Air. Pollution.
I have made a spidergram of environment. What you have to do, first I will divide the class into groups so that when you play the game it's more interesting for you. Zyada mazedar ho jaye. Okay. So 2 benches will become 1 group. This first, second bench will be 1 group. Third, fourth bench will be 1 group. Now one of you can choose any word you like from this and become your group's name will be that. You choose a word? Pollution.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'll give you few sheets and in groups, first of all what you do, you write the group's name in the middle. Suppose you are which group? Population. You will write population over here and circle it. Now have you written the word in the circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now in groups, each one of you take a chance and write any word related to that. You can write as many words as you like, as you know. Okay? Each one of you must get a chance to write. You write 1 word and pass it to her. Start. When you complete, you say bingo. Good. Which group will come and show their spidergram? Show it. Read it. What words are there?
Flowers, fruits, wood, oxygen, medicines, and
Okay, very good. So all of you have made like this spidergrams?
yes, ma'am.
1 person from each group stand up and paste it on the wall this side. In groups you come and each 1 group will stand together and see the spidergram, then move to the next one. You stand up and you see other spidergrams. Go.
Now, watch another fun activity in Chanchala's class. What topic do you think she is going to teach after this activity?
Okay, you will enjoy it, yes. But we are also playing this game so that we can recall some words which you already know. So 5 girls from this side and 5 from this side, and please make 2 lines over here. Okay. So there are 2 lines. You have to run to the board and you have to slap the words according to my instruction. Only the first 2 girls will run to the board. And this is team A and this is team B. Sindhu will be the scorekeeper. Draw A here and B there. Okay? Ready? So the first word is which we breathe in. Okay. Place where you live. Sony. Okay, next. The word which means cutting off of the trees. Okay. Oh. Good. So team A is the winner. Congratulations to all of you. Go. You are seeing some words on the board, right?
This is the end of the clip. We learnt about how to start a lesson with a warmer, why, and how to use warmers in your classroom. Click on clip 2 in the previous menu to find out about the next stage of the reading lesson.